went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I just used my Anastasia pomade in soft brown. And to clean them up, I use my Anastasia contour kit. So to prime, I am going to be using this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I love this. It smells so good and it feels so refreshing. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I don't know how I feel about this. I've tried it a couple times and sometimes I love it, and then sometimes it's like it breaks up and it doesn't look right. So I don't know how I feel about it yet. Like, I don't know, it's really weird. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer. Set that using Cover FX powder. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just gonna go in with these two shades. Bronze up my skin using the Too Faced. It's a little sample size, but this is my favorite bronzer. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Start off with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm just gonna apply that on top of my eyelids to get rid of the pigmentation I have on my eyelids and to hide the veins and make it an even canvas. And I'm gonna go into my Subculture. I'm going to mix New Wave and Roxy together. Another brush, I'm gonna go into the bronzer that I used all over my face, and I'm going to bronze up the eyes with that. I'm gonna go in with Adorn, and it is that golden shade right there. Go under with the New Wave and the Roxy shade mixed into. I am gonna go into a highlighter. This is my MAC Oh Darling. I'm going to place this on the lid to make it a little bit more glowy and, you know, just make it kind of stand out as a more bronzy eye look. Okay, so I went ahead and just put on mascara because since it is a bronzy look and I did do eyeshadow, I don't want the eyes to overpower the face. I want it to be mainly focused on my face makeup. So So next is I'm going to apply blush, and I'm gonna apply Songbird by Becca. I'm gonna use Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. Now to make this whole look come together, I'm going to spray my face with Fix Plus. I'm gonna go in with the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Leslie.